Hi, I'm David Ahrens, Director of Public Policy with the National Brain Tumor Society. I'm here today to ask you to become an advocate and fight with us to make sure Congress knows that fighting brain tumors should be a top public policy priority. You've done a lot this year in support of the National Brain Tumor Society. We're asking you to take another step forward by helping us be a strong voice in Congress. Sign up today at www.braintumor.org to become an advocate. As you know, Congress and the President are in a great debate over the federal budget deficit. This debate is very much going to affect the levels of funding available for medical research funding on brain tumors, as well as important patient care programs like Medicare and Medicaid. Again, we need all of us to weigh in and use our voice to let Congress know that no matter what, it needs to have appropriate public policies for brain tumor patients and appropriate levels of medical research funding. It's easy to sign up to become an advocate, and you'll get all the tools you need, including invitations to special events such as Brain Tumor Action Week, and you'll also get our newest action alert. I look forward to working with you and your family. Thank you again. Please sign up today to become an advocate, and we'll get started. Thanks again.